Today, I share with you a rare Amala recipe that many Nigerians don't know about. Many Nigerians don't know that there are four ways to make a Lubo Isu. Yes, and on this Nigerian cooking channel, I'll be sharing the three rare ones with you. The fourth one is quite common, but I'll share that one with you later also. Here I have my Elubo Isu, and next to it is my wheat flour. If you watch my Nigerian cooking videos, you will know that a while back I posted how to make wheat swallow. Yes, after mixing this properly, I'll show you the wheat grains I blended to get this. These are the wheat grains I blended. They are pure wheat grains, no preservatives, no chemical. So after mixing this up very well, I'll add a little portion into a small bowl. The next thing I will do is to add water into that small portion. If you're familiar with my Nigerian cooking videos, especially my Nigerian swallow, you will know that I love to use this method because it makes it very easy for beginners. Yes, this is a beginners friendly method. So after mixing it properly, this is what I have and it is lovely. Now I'll set this aside and show you the two types of elubo issue that we have. This is the first one, it's called elubo bodo, and this one is called boro. Yes, this is what it looks like. Yeah, you've learned something. Okay, let's move on. Now it's time to cook. I'll boil this water till it is boiling. Yes, now that my water is boiling, I'll first add or pour in the mixture that I made earlier, the paste I made earlier. Remember, you have to turn your cooker to medium heat when you want to start adding your elubo or the elubo paste so that you don't have lumps in it. So this cooker has been turned to medium heat. I'll mix this up very well and then I'll begin to add my flour. I don't want to say yam flour because remember I mixed yam flour with wheat flour. Yes, you see, many people or some people do this because everybody knows that amala is very light, while wheat is a little bit heavy because it absorbs water easily. So most people do is in order to save cost on elubo issue because elubo issue is very expensive. It's more expensive than wheat flour, and they both have similar color anyway. So most people mix wheat flour with elubo issue so that they will be able to save money and the outcome is lovely. In fact, this grips more. It looks really nice when I'm done. You will love it. As I continue with this video, I need to say, if you are yet to like this video, come on, please like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. I always love it when you subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I've been adding more flour just to ensure that I get the consistency and the texture that I want. Now, let me tell you another reason why you should subscribe to this channel. I have so many recipes for you, so many Nigerian cooking videos, so many easy Nigerian recipes that you will love. On this channel, I have a recipe on how to make a biripo. On this same channel, I have a recipe on how to make Nigerian rice and beans with stew. What about Nigerian beans with palm oil? I have that recipe on this channel. I have how to make tapioca recipe on this same channel. Okay, let me ask you. Have you seen my recipe on semovita, how to make semovita? Or the latest one I posted, my last recipe, which was on how to make plantain moi moi. If you have beans flour and you want to make moi moi with beans flour, you have that recipe. You can watch that recipe on this same blog. Now I have achieved the texture I want. So I'll add a little bit of water, yes, and then I would cover it and allow it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, after 4 minutes, this is what my amala looks like. Okay, so please don't try what I just did using my bare hands to hold the pot. Please don't do that. Okay, even me, I'm planning to stop all of this because I realize that it's making my fingers or my palm, a bit hard, and I'm intending to begin to give myself princess treatment. So ensure you use your kitchen towel when you want to hold anything hot surfaces. Okay, because it's not really safe. Now I'm just mixing all of this up very well. You can actually see the texture is lovely. It is nice. If you do not tell someone that you added wheat flour to this, nobody would actually suspect that there's wheat flour in it. And guess what? Wheat flour is also very, very nutritious and healthy. Now, I'm about to show you the reason why you must always have a little bowl of water mixed with little vegetable oil before you scoop your amala. You know I always do this, but in this video I decided not to do it. Watch how difficult it was for me to ensure that I scoop my amala out of this pot into this plastic bag easily. The amala or your swallow will always stick to the spoon, and it is very, very, very stressful. Anyway, before I forget, once you are done, make sure you soak your pot in water so that it can be easily washed. Yes, you can see how I'm having issues. I'm banging the spoon just to try to get the amala off my spoon. Yes, that is why you need a little bowl of water with few tablespoons of oil before you scoop your amala or any swallow at all. It helps the swallow slide off the spoon. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for liking this video, leaving your comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. This is the first method. I'm going to be posting the second method tomorrow and the subsequent ones later. Bye.